Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to do the core memory trend videos which you see on TikTok like this. The video could be a specific concert, holiday, or a wedding day, or just a pretty scene. Whatever it is, the video must have a sound, as a trend video needs a specific sound effect called echo that heightens the memory even more. The filter helps you relive the core memory, making it seem even more real and dreamlike by echoing the sound. So, how to create this trending video? For this video, I'll show you how to apply echo effect on the video you record from TikTok's camera screen. So go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to go into TikTok's recording screen. Press the record button and record yourself or someone. Make sure there's sound in your video. For example, you're saying something or someone else is speaking. Now once that is recorded, you'll then come to this editing screen. Here, tap on the voice effects at the right hand side. If you don't see this, you have an older version of TikTok app. Go to the App Store or Play Store and update your app from there. Another reason could be that you have uploaded a video and your TikTok app does not support voice effect on that version. I have the same issue, so don't worry. I have a video coming out tomorrow on how to apply echo effect on a video which you have already recorded. So let's continue on with this video. After tapping on the voice effects, at the bottom you'll see here different voice effects. Swipe right and tap on echo. You'll notice your sound change. With this trend, most users add Cornfield Chase piano sound as a background music. So tap on sound at the bottom left, then search. In the search box, type in Cornfield Chase. Select the music and then tap on the tick to confirm it. After you've added the music, make sure the video volume is higher than your music volume. You can do this by selecting sound, then volume, and here make sure the original sound is louder while the added sound is slightly lower. Then press next, and in the description box, don't forget to add your hashtag echo feature tag to make sure you get as many views as possible. And there you have it. That is how to create the memory trend video on TikTok. If you made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.